Twitter is shutting down Fleets, its expiring tweets feature. I know nothing about Fleets other than the fact that random people send them to me.
Yeah. They're kind of like stories that expire 24 hours.
So they're stories.
Yes. Essentially, yeah.
But people can send them to one another? Are people sending me Fleets, or are they... No, wait a second.
Well, you got them. So people are sending them, right?
No, because I never click on them. It would just say like some random username has mentioned you in their Fleets or something along these lines, and I'll never click on it.
So maybe you could tag people?
Yeah, probably.
It just shows up.
So everybody who had to have the stories, I'm surprised that Twitter says bye-bye.
Yeah, it didn't do too well. Eventually.
The row of full-screen tweets at the top of your Twitter timeline that expire after 24 hours. Starting on August 3rd, users will instead see active spaces. So they go with spaces. They're like,
Yes.
we're going to put our bet on spaces and forget about Fleets. Oh, wait a second. The composer for traditional tweets will be updated with more camera editing features from Fleets, like text formatting and GIF stickers over photos. Twitter's decision to axe Fleets is not just an admission that the feature didn't work, but that the company still hasn't figured out how to get people tweeting more. For years, Twitter has struggled to get new users to post regularly and not just consume other people's tweets, yeah. Fleets was its shot at using stories, the popular social media format invented by Snapchat and further popularized by Instagram, yeah. I mean, there is a thing with social media ads where they all end up doing everything, and it can just be overwhelming and intimidating to the point where you're like, it can lose sight of the core focus. So, but anyway, it appears they've probably done the internal analysis and realized that Spaces is a bigger opportunity for them, considering the fact that anyone posting story-like content is probably doing it on Instagram at this point, or Snapchat, or Facebook. Facebook has stories too.
Yeah.
Man, it's a lot of stories. Who can watch all these stories?